Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 8 users Laravel 11 Livewire 3 CRUD, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started. Apache and MySQL and this already run localhost PSP. My admin in this database is available Livewire 3 Laravel 11. This already available. This open, click this user table, and this my project is available. This user table is a list already show. Please check previous all video. This XAMPP folder inside this my project, and this project is already open. This my sublime text editor.env file inside this available Laravel view 3 Laravel 11. This already, this database name is a connection already set. This project is a run inside this my project directory. Inside this open PSP artisan serve. This command add and enter. Successfully working. Let's copy this URL and this my browser Firefox inside this paste here and this run. Successfully project is a good working. Inside this login, let's login/login and enter. This login is available. Let's use registration and this new registration. Click this registration and fill up this data, and mobile number is and implement and submit, and don't save. Wait, this registration and successfully login. Let's inside this filter create inside this dynamic filter is a set this search bar, set this name by search. Let's this file is open the customer file, resource view Livewire in this customer, and this button is available. This button create button is available. This button. Let's implementation. This inside this search box is a implement. Let's step by step. First of all, this div is a create div class row. This CRUD inside this paste here. Second div is a create div class call auto. This CRUD and paste here. Successfully two div is a create, and this div is inside this as it is inside this new div create div class call row auto. Input text name is not used. This not a Laravel Livewire. Placeholder source user, and this class form controller. This form controller is a implementation. Let's refresh this page. Successfully search box is available. This search user successfully available. Let's inside this new implement view model live bones 150 ms. Inside this source successfully set this name. Successfully set. Let's copy this name and this app inside this live and this customer, and this customer list already available inside this customer list. Let's new public. This variable name is a copy this name in this dollar source is equal to this blank. Save file. Inside this comment, this not use comment, and save file, and this copy and paste here. Save file and refresh this page as it is a working good. This record is a successfully shared. This only comment. Inside this implementation source, if is empty $this source else. Successfully shared this cut and inside this paste here, cut and paste dollar. Already this copy, same name is a copy and paste where this name is available, this where user tab model is already include this model, user model inside this available user model, and this inside this name is available. Please writing this file. In this user model, click this user table is available. Same here, this name copy. First name is a copy, where name like percentage dot again this percentage get and close this, and dollar this source, this same here paste. Successfully set. Please writing this file. Successfully all set. This good. Inside this implement and this implement this command only, and this search box is a set. This search box is a successfully set. Let's refresh this page, and this inside this add x is not available, x is not a available value, admin this available, admin good, and this remove not available, this only name same is a copy and paste, only single name is a available, search is a find, this name is a copy, vvvs is available, only v, this lost of is v, only v, and this d is available, only d, inside this d available, inside this d, inside this all dd value is a show this good. This successfully search is a automatically, this without refresh is a set, without refresh search box is a successfully simply is a working. This only simple one line, and inside this two line is a code, only this variable select. Any doubt to please contact this my official website, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is always available, anytime is a contact. Lost of project, please download, only very low price. And this my channel error solution, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Inside this lost of playlist available, any project start to step by step video all available. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.